Hi, welcome back. Aurum here. Today we continue our playthrough in Zenless Zone Zero version 2.6 Encore for an Old Dream. So before I do the recap, I forgot to mention something in the last episode. The thing that happened in 2.5 that I wish we learn more, and hopefully we will learn more about those things in the future. One of them being there are few things. The first one was the backstory for Dialin. I feel like we need more backstory from her, like the whole scene, the one scene in the swing. I don't feel that's enough to learn more. I like it really doesn't know anything about that, about her beside the thing. I mean, just it's basically just a backstory of how and why she able to hurt the dead. But then again, is that all about her? There's still more to that. Like, who's the medium? Which company? Where she come from? The village and the people there. Who they are? Like, there's one question about the alien. And the other thing is Sarah. Is Sarah gone? I mean, of course, I guess. But then again, we didn't we didn't do any follow up to Sarah as well. Like, remember the whole Sarah backstory about HSO, and people somehow forget quotation mark about her in hand in HSO. Is that it? The only thing we learn. We're not gonna doing a follow up like asking to SSO who is Sarah before and who is her team at the time that when she went missing, right? I feel like they didn't really do anything about that. Like, I think they should. I know that. I mean, we do. Sarah was so being focused during at the end of not to mention even in part one in season one where she become the whole vision manager thing is always in the shadow and then but then that's it is that I feel like I don't know I feel like I want more from about her even though we know that she's gone. It's just a conclusion, not a conclusion, those things that they told. I feel like it's unfinished in my opinion. What else? Yes, another thing, Exaltis. Is Exaltis done? I mean, we know that another faction will have, uh, I mean, will replace Exaltis maybe. I don't know because the thing about the whole creator thing still exists. It's just from different perspective instead of a fanatic. Then again, remember what happened after Isolde died? The mark, the creator. I don't know what to call it. The creator mark was moved from Isolde to the next in line randomly, like random, right? And it was Sarah this time, the one who chose as a overseer. So now that Sarah gone, is the test mark just? I mean, we know that the purpose of the mark is technically fulfilled by opening the seal. But is that it? I feel like the whole thing with Exaltis, they still have a lot of questions and they didn't answer. I don't know. Maybe I misremember. I know. Maybe I don't know. They don't, unlike other Hoyo game. They don't really have the extra thing like description or book that explain thing. So I hope they'll told more about those things in the main story. Maybe we're gonna, I don't know. I feel like the LD move on and focusing on the whole Void Hunter for season 3. But I don't know. I feel like I still, especially Sarah. Dialin we'll learn about her more, I think, because hopefully, I guess. But Sarah, since she's Donzo, I don't know if we're gonna see her. I mean, her story again, especially about the SHO part. That's feel that's still bugging me. I mean, I don't know. Anyway, What else? Okay, that's it, I guess. The only thing I remember before I start the recording, I just remember about that thing. Anyway, let's do a recap now. So, last episode we finally start the Python story, and we learn. So we're doing maintenance. This is a foreshadowing the whole maintenance, the HDD thing, because uh, the point of that thing was to inform us that because of the creator incident, it's affecting signal in the hollow and something. So it's also affecting the HDD, which probably another intelligent stuff got affected as well. Maybe that's probably sort of foreshadowing for that. And the scene after that was the Jen have commission for us. One of her teammate, I guess. I believe this is Chisia, the new character that they're gonna release in the next episode. I mean next patch. So we're gonna while we're waiting for Jen, we come back to Sixth Street because that our commission located. But before that, uh, Jufufu Senpai invite us to doing train because of what happened with Sun Guang, the mayor, I guess, uh, said that maybe this year the Gilded Carrot Day event will happen in Valium High. So I think this is foreshadowing. Probably the final scene will be this festival which took place in Valium High. But before that, we're gonna do the whole thing with Gen Commission first. I don't know what the connection between Gen Commission and the Yomayorion, which is Angel of Delusion, but we're gonna go to Yomayorion in the meantime before, while we're waiting for Gen. So I still believe that because of Arya will be the main focus for this patch, because of the whole intelligent construct and intelligent entity stuff that we learn. Not to mention, I think Gen Commission will also connected to whatever intelligent stuff as well, which probably yokai stuff. Not to mention what happened in the event last patch, which I can presumably say that Arya and Fairy already become a friend. I think Arya was want to give a gift to Fairy or something. I mean, it didn't say the name, the friend, but I can assume it's Fairy. Not to mention the Arya close. I mean, our store, and Yomaru. Not to mention in the web event, Fairy, the one who helped the managing uh, the Age of Illusion training, also doing stuff there. So it's probably makes sense that they're friend, as well as how I have King Yi, so I seen one of the meeting with King Yi when she standing in the front of the store talking to Fairy about stuff and telepathically. I mean, not telepathically, telecommunicatively. Is that a word? Basically, wirelessly. What else? Yeah, so that's it. I think that that happened in the last episode, and now we're gonna go to Yomaruyon to meet Suna, because Suna the only Yomaruyon member that we've seen so far, twice actually. But the event, I don't know if the event canon in relation to the story, but one thing for sure, the one in the resource count as canon. The one where she met Astra and us as well. We don't know her name yet. So yeah, so we didn't. I don't. Did we ever tell her name? I mean, did she ever tell her name Suna? Because if I remember, she still has anonymous name, like girl with a bag or something. I don't remember what we called her in the description. No description. You know, when someone talking, they have the name on them. I don't think it's Suna at the time. So how do we know Suna? Maybe this is so Angel of Delusion already debut, and we saw, okay, that's Suna, that's the girl we saw in the restaurant, and then so she called Suna or something in the basically behind the scene. So, I mean, in the internet, we're talking about that about Angel Delusion, not the internet, the general internet, but the internet during the event, one of the event with I mean, we literally meet with them. Okay, actually, yes. Technically we meet with every single one of them during the event, but then again, like I said, is that event canon? Because you know that's not permanent. Like if you start the game from the beginning today, will you have different dialogue? Because we never meet every single Angel of Delusion member if we didn't do the event, which I don't think it's permanent. So yeah, I wonder if we have different dialogue. Probably will, right? Because you know the event already gone. But for me, I play the event, so we know about each member. I forgot about that. Yeah, we meet with every single member. Technically, we find inspiration for their song last patch. Yes. Anyway, yeah, and also where we first meet Arya and Nangong, I guess. So without further ado, let's log in. Let's well, yeah, log in. I guess it said login complete, and start and continue our playthrough in version 2.6. First thing first, as usual, I will always do this moving forward, which is using my controller. And that's it. Let's continue. Where we should go again? Go to the mission target. Okay, go. Hopefully we reset immediately outside the store. I think we are. We teleport outside the store, so yes, we talk to Wise. It's been a while since we see Wise and Bella using this outfit.
黄金の日の前に営業再開するのか。
今行ったら千夏たちに会えるかも。
Chinatsu, yeah, I forgot. In Japanese, it's called Chinatsu. Well, I wonder why her name became Chinatsu. I think I checked before in the website, which usually only Japanese and Chinese name will change in different language, but this time I don't think soon. Yeah, I don't know actually. Maybe I could be wrong. Girashita. I've been here before during part 1. I check a little bit here. We meet Ali. I mean not Ali. Ari. Oh, we actually talked to Ari. Huh. Hello, Ari. Oh, it's you too. Let's see if we skip. What description? Okay, there's no description. Let's go cancel. Oh, it's you too. Remember when last time we do this? Skip. There's something called. Sometimes I have description, which kind of mind blow. Not really mind blowing. It's which means every single time every time I see this dialogue, I will click script just to see if we have a description. I don't know if this one, maybe the voice one as well, just to see, just in case there's zero. Last time we did this during when I refit the dialogue when we enter the mine in the final arc, in the final commission for 2.5. They said nihility there. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I don't think we ever say anything about nihility. Maybe the concept of nihility, not the nihility, from the other Hoyo game. Which I don't think so. I mean, obviously it's not the same, but Anyway, what is you too? You are friend of the Angel of Delusion and manager of the store on the corner, right? What are you talking about, Ari? We met before. I mean, it's you too, which mean Ari know about us, but why did you say you are friend of Angel of Delusion and blah blah blah, right? We literally talking about this last time. Why you forget? See, like I said, the event didn't count, I guess. Because Ari, I don't know. I know, maybe the English translation, yes, a bit weird. Maybe, I don't know. That was quick. I thought it would take a while. After all, that little bamboo in the shop looked like it was really struggling when just digging through those videotapes. The manager is back now. It's been for maybe it's almost a year that we left. I mean, if you're using the real life time. Well then, thanks for the delivery, manager. But according to your Maron operations hour, we don't have any show at this moment, so I'm afraid we can't offer you any of our service. Oh, right. If you're here looking for Suna and the other, go ahead. Head down to the stair and we'll get the drink, and then you get to the drink stand and performance area. Want me to show you the way? Okay, okay. Ari does know us. So why did she say a friend? Maybe just an exposition for those who forgot that we meet Ari before. I don't know. Now we'll head downstairs ourselves. I know how to go anyway.
下に何があるか見てみよう。
That's what I'm gonna do, brother. Why you... Anyway. What else do you think we're gonna do anyway?
こっちがバーと休憩所。路地裏だけど階段降りると別世界だね。
Yes, underground stage. This is technically the first time for the game, but I did go here before. Okay, okay. I don't think anything changed. Wait, there's supposed to be an NPC here. Where are they? Can we go? Oh, we need to. Okay, this is unique. Like story mode version of the area. Let's escape. Nothing. Doesn't seem like we pick the best time to stop by Bele. It's pretty quiet. What am I saying? Bele. It's pretty quiet when there are no show. Look like fairy recommendation wasn't so hot. Oh, so fairy assume we're gonna watching them. But I don't think we need to. I mean, we're gonna talk to them. It's better than way, right? Okay, they say, yeah, I forgot to mention that in the event they said that they're gonna give us a seat, front seat for the show, Angel of Delusion, a stage. I mean, a play, not play. I mean, it is play show. Look like huh? Hold on, do I hear someone singing? Is that coming from the studio? Are they training? I mean, rehearsing.
これ言う？足取りは軽く。
Okay. Again, very comic-y as usual. What are you doing? What the? Is that? Wow, this supposed to. Oh, okay. Okay, this is very cartoonish. How are you doing that, Arya? You're holographic, I think. I mean, I still believe that. Okay. Okay. Okay, wise. Yeah.
ごめんなさい、店長さん。今カニやで。
平気さ。
みんな、あのレコード見つけたわよ。あらあら、お客様ね。
Yeah, Cecilia will be one of the video store. I mean, shop owner, just like every other NPC in Yomaro in 6th Street. Okay. Wait a minute. So we heard their voice in Japanese before. I mean, during the live stream. The dialogue, Suna. Let's me heard again. She has accent. Where is this accent come from? I don't. I don't think Chinatsu. I mean Suna. I say something like this during live stream. I don't remember. Huh. Interesting. Okay, interesting way of yeah.
あげちゃおうかな。黄金の日特別ライブ、ディア妄想族のチケット。
I thought we already have the front seat. I don't know. The event, I guess none can. I don't know. I still don't understand.
僕たち妄想エンジェルにとって
Oh, it's first one. Okay.
初めてのライブでもあるんだ。ここだけの話、今は入手困難なんだ
I
から。
mean, I thought we're supposed to get that in the first place because we helped you guys use the inspiration thing last patch. I don't remember.
そうなの、入手困難なの。お題はいらないから。まあ僕たちがこういうひいきをしちゃいけないんだけど、さっきのことはこっちの粗相だし。
じゃあ、
そうなんだ。じゃあお言葉に甘えて、私とお兄ちゃんの分ってことでもらっとくね。
wait a minute.
黄金の日
On the
どこだっ
night.
け？
But we have something. The plan with the Shuban Temple. What?
リン、早速祝日モードに入って気が緩んでるじゃないか。
The timing.
毎日
So are we gonna watch the performance or doing the Helium High thing? Maybe on the day and I don't know.
もしかして店長さん、他に用事がある？
ああ、ちょっと立て込んでいてね。夜までに片付くかどうか。
Well, we will, I think.
早速振られちゃった。
Are you saying no one is not sale?
入手困難やって制約があったら意味ないやん。
See, okay, no one.
嘘がバレるのは時間の問題やと思ってたけど、それ以前のやつやんけ。
Yeah, Suna accent here, dialect, it's very interesting. It's not
でも
関西
仕方ないよね。店長さんのお仕事を邪魔したらいけないし。
okay. You're doing sad face.
どないしたらええんや。うちらもうここで終わりなんか。
まだ夜までかかると決まったわけじゃないんだ。順調に。
Maybe the show will happen in Helium High,
ライブにも
so
間
it
に合うかもしれ
happened
ない。
at so
そう
the
だったよ
timing.
リン。
That's right. Right?
人に気が緩んでるとか言っといて、そっちがそこで折れちゃうわけ？まあお兄ちゃんがそこまで言うなら、私たち頑張っていけるようにするね。よかったわね、みんな。入手困難な未来に向けて一歩前進したじゃない。
Wait, this instructor look really familiar. Cecilia? We met Cecilia in the event, guys. You guys forgot, or maybe it's not canon. I don't know. So why you say it's look familiar? Let's see.
さっきから気になってはいたけど、この人が妄想エンジェルたちの先生？なんか超有名人に似てるような。
What? Elfie.
でも本当にあのセルシー様なら、みんながこんな
Really?
に平然としてるわけないか。
Wait, I don't even. Okay, I have the image of Chelsea from the internet. Let's see if Cecilia. It says Cecilia gonna perform. So Angel of Delusion, the one who gonna perform in Helium High. I think this was okay. I think this was gonna happen. Yeah, I think. So I was right.
忘れてた。セシリア先生は
I mean, makes sense.
初対面だもんね。
Her.
こっちはリンちゃんで、こっちがアキラくんだよ。
Okay, so the web event is not canon, I guess, because I don't remember if Cecilia meet us directly actually during the whole web event. I think we just, I don't think we name Bella and Wise. I think we was named assistant coach or something. I'm gonna check something. Chersia, Cecilia. See, that's C, you know.
前に僕たちのことを手伝ってくれてたんだけど、 角にあるランダムプレイってビデオ屋の店長さんなんだ。
Hey, hey, hey. Surprise what we got on our fan page. Hey, 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 hey. We have VIP member. Anyway, what I'm saying again? So yeah, the event where we help them find not experience, inspiration happened because Nangong here said that they helped us before. So yeah. Yeah, it's odd. Slightly surprised. Oh yeah, makes sense.
お店のことはうちのボンプたちに任せっきりだったの。全盛期じゃないのは確かだけど、それとどっこいなやつがそんなの？
Bele, you come.
見事な勘が。
Kok Ali rude?
まあまあ、店長さんたちも私たちの状況を知らないわけじゃないし。せやな。
せやな。Is that Aomori? I don't know.
ほんまにうちらみたいな弱小アイドルグループがライブなんてできるんやろか。閑散期のマイナービデオ屋と客足を競ってるありさまやのに。
A niche videos though.
マイナービデオ屋ってお店のコンセプト的には間違ってないけど、割と会員さんはいるんだけどね。
Yes, VIP member.
こんな言い方をしたらあれだけれど、会員の質にも恵まれているんだ。去る有料会員なんてこの間は50万デニーもプリペイドにチャ
Well,
ー
I
ジ
have
してくれた。
more than that, but go.
50万？そんくらいあんねやったらライブのステージ設営から洗剤の用意まで全部できてまうやん。50万ディニーか。せやけどだいぶ切り詰めた方やで。衣装は使い回しで宣伝だって最低限なんやから。
チケットが順調に売れればライブの資金繰りも
Well,
問題ないんだよね。
you two are the only one that have the ticket for now. I think.
うまいこと全部はけたらやけど
Wait,
な。
no, I think you guys have fan. I remember in the event, at least in the internet, some of them talking. I mean, writing, replying the post. So maybe 10, 20. I don't know.
ユウの言った通り、うちらがファンのみんなの目の前で歌うんはこれが
Oh, in
初めてな
person.
んや。
So you do performance before online.
あかんかったら妄想エンジェルはまたネットの片隅にいる弱小動画投稿者に戻ってまう。
I mean, online this day. I mean, I don't know about Zone Zero World, but
ちなっちゃん、しっかりして。新曲がもうすぐ完成するんでしょ。みんなで一緒に聴いてみようよ。店長さんからアドバイスとかもらえちゃうかもしれないし。
I'm not really into music, by the way.
私とお兄ち
I
ゃん
mean,
じゃ
Bella and Wise.
正直音楽のアドバイスはできないと思うけど、でも千夏の新曲はすっごく興味あるかな。
Yep.
途中でも全然いいし聞かせてくれない？
途中っていうかまだ初期の初期やけど。でも本当にいい曲だったよ。さっきはゆうちゃんも最後まで歌ってなかった
Okay,
し。
it's not Hane-chan.
聞かせて、ちなつちゃん。
It's Yu-chan. Basically, her name. Nangong Yu-chan. Why I'm saying Hane? Okay, I mean, maybe, okay, I assuming that because the CC, closed caption for the live stream, say Hane-chan. Maybe it was supposed to be Yu-chan. So, okay, I misunderstand. Okay, it's you now, not Hane.
ほな、準備しても店長さんにみっともないとこ見せたないし。セシリア先生、ちょい聞いてほしいパートがあって。
Where she come from? Her dialect, her accent is very I heard that before. I don't remember which part of Japan. Cecilia led Suna to the side of the stage to go over her question. Suna was the concerned one, but now Arya also looked uncertain.
千夏は準備中で、ユウとアリアが何か話してるみたい。聞いてみよう。
Well, we're gonna check. So, are you actually Cersei? Okay, you're not. Yeah, you are tyrant. But what? Uh, the tail is unique. I never seen animal with that have. I was assumed at first she was a construct, but she looked like aquatic animal. Huh? A horsey, a seahorse, or something? How? Huh? Anyway, let's ignore that for a second. I'm gonna check something which was Cersei image. I believe we have Cersei image here. Wait a minute. I missed it. Yeah, this one. Isn't this Cersei? No, it's not. It is Cersei. But wait a minute. Did they change? I feel like they changed this menu. I don't think it's looked like this before. The image. Oh, I think I know why. Let's just for the sake of seeing, why the controller version make the internet smaller, I wonder, because I believe it will, yeah, it is bigger on touch. It is weird. I think I missed it. Oh yeah, we also have this. I forgot to check. Hollow champion competition. This is important. Something else gonna happen here. And not to mention, I believe I need to check every NPC because in every single area, since this gilded carrot day change some conversation in different time in different place. So before this patch end, I will try to check every single new dialogue. No, it's still the same. Did they change it? Last time I read this, it doesn't look like this. When did they change? But is that Cersei? Cersei, it's too small. If you look at the color, it is look like her, but younger. This is so much younger. So, I mean, makes sense. It's in the past. So, yeah, the thing that Jufufu said is not that Cersei will be come back, but she will be the manager of the new group, which is Angel of Delusion. Yes, it is Cersei from the internet image. The only one we have, I mean, the only image we have of her, I think. Wise, why are you looking at Cersei? Oni-chan, what are you doing? Keep your...
もう来るとこまで来ちゃったんだからさ、弱気になっちゃダメだって。それに願いの妖精だってアドバイスしてたでしょ。
Wishing Sprite?
わかってるよ。
Is it fiery?
私もみんなと
I mean,
一緒に
Wishing Sprite,
初公演
fiery.
を
That's
成功させたいもん。
kinda in line.
ただちょっと心配なことがあって。あ、店長さん。
Yes?
アリアは何かお悩みがあるみたいだね。ここにビデオ屋の敏腕店長がいるけど。
Let me guess. You afraid that your holographic image will shut down and then showing the actual intelligent construct?
なんたってランダムプレイは私抜きじゃ回らないからね。商売ごとに関してはアリアの先輩みたいなもんだし、何でも聞いてくれていいんだよ。
はあ、一度も会話に立つことなく、
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
ビデオ
whoa.
の整理や仕入れさえ兄に任せきりなのに、
Oni-chan,
自分抜きでは回らない
calm
と
down.
どうするのかい？
I wonder if the role will be reversed. If I feel like Belle perfect for this role, someone who never worked in the front desk and leave tape sorting and is talking to, right? I kind of want to see from different perspective.
最近の経営不振を反面教師にするつもりなら、まず僕たちはトワちゃんに土下座するところからだぞ。
Oof.
僕たちがよく揉めるのってやっぱり3人もいるからかなって思ってたけど、
But
見た感じ2人でもそう変わらないんだ。
I mean, it depends.
別に私たちしょっちゅう揉めてるからって仲が悪いわけじゃないでしょ。ただ私と千夏ちゃんがたまに背中を押してほしい時があるだけで。はいはい、アリアちゃん、店長さんたちがせっかく打ち明けやすい雰囲気にしてくれたんだから、悩みがあるなら聞いてもらっちゃいなよ。悩みってほどじゃないんだけどね。今まで私たちリアルのお客さんを前にしてパフォーマンスをしたこと一度もないから、オフラインでライブをやるってことはファンのみんながお互いの顔が見えるくらいの距離にいるってことだよね。
I think I was right. The whole thing about the hologram. She nervous if the system fail and she saw her real self.
大丈夫だよ。アリアはどこに出したって平気なくらい可愛いんだから。やっぱり初めてだと緊張
I don't think Bella and Wise knew that Arya is a construct yet.
かわいい？そんなアリアはあと違くて、時々思うの、私なんかが
Or maybe not, it's something else about anxiety.
アリアちゃん、私考えすぎてるだけかもしれないけどね。さあアリアちゃん、君がステージに立っていいのかなとか言ってたら、
What portion is
千夏
supposed
ちゃん
to
は
do?
どうしたらいいわけ？それにみんなアリアちゃんに会ったことはなくたって声は絶対聞いたことあるもん。
Wait,
言わ
that
れてみれば
online?
確かに聞き覚えがあるな。最初に君たちと会った時から気にはなっていたんだ。
What? Are you talking about Wise?
かつて一世を風靡したあの歌姫にそっくりだと思わない？
Cersei? You meet Ice Wise and you can tell he thinking the same thing. Miss Cecilia face, Arya Foss. There's a stress of Cecilia. Wait a minute. Cersei, Cecilia, Arya. Wait a minute. Wait a second. What? Are you saying Cersei is actually another holographic? Anyway, let's see. Why doesn't look encouraged by the sword at all?
もうずっと前の話だってば。それにだ
See?
からって私
Okay, long time ago. I thought Cecilia was. Okay, maybe I mistaken. Let's see what. Okay, again, Arya the main focus for 2.6. Soon a voice come from the microphone nearby.
なんでもない。先に千夏ちゃんの様子を見に行ってあげよう。あの曲も最後まで聞きたいし。
So, okay, so I have a few They either two, they either one. Cecilia using when she was a little, like when she was younger, she used a fake voice. It was actually Arya voice. So they make a duo. Basically, Cecilia lip sync, and Arya don't know sing. Or Arya actually she using holographic, but she used Cecilia as a model instead of Arya. I mean, this is this one. So, I mean, construct live longer. So I believe, which means Cecilia, I mean, Arya live. I mean, Arya was and is older than the rest. At least older than Suna. Because I'm 100% sure Suna a human. I don't know about Nangong because the whole wing and halo thing. Just listening might be a little boring. How about joining what? Excuse me? Look at that. The fan, the bamboo. So remember in the promotional material back then, the bamboo for I keep saying this before. I mean during the live stream as well. The promotional material for Angel of Delusion, the bamboo was not dead. Was not fan. The biggest fan. I don't remember what the name of this bamboo, but it was something else. So I wonder why did they change this? Is there a reason for that, or maybe the other one will be released with Nangong or something? Get into the rhythm, hit the right beat, and you will feel the pulse of the song. Try cheering tune on with biggest fan. It'll be fun, trust me. Yeah, that's right. But this song still feel just a rap right now. Manager, if you got any thought and suggestion, remember to tell me, okay? I wanna record the police and perfect this song with everyone. That sounds great. So manager, what do you say? Let's calibrate. I'm using joystick, so I don't think I have delay. Okay, so this is I remember seeing this in live stream. I know this is a mini game. It's very simple. Yeah, basically when it on the screen, I need to that. I think I have delay because controller again. But this one with calibration, they will adjust automatically to audio. Oh, the voice. You can hear the fourth drum beat. Okay, every fourth. Yep. Let's try the mini game. Look like Shuna and the other are ready. Manager, how about you start our support? Sure. Okay, the three biggest fan. Judgment area during the live stream. On the left side of controller to hit any number. Oh, on the right side of the controller to hit oh, okay.
妄想世界にレッツダイブや。
Yeah, I have delay, but this is rhythm game, yes, but since it's side view, it remind me of Taiko. That's the one that I have. No, there could be more. Instead of the normal, rhythm game this day, which usually top-down view. I mean, not top-down, from the top to bottom. Thanks for sharing, manager. I don't hear any song, by the way. I just realized that. I focus too much on the thing, the block. Anyway, Thanks for sharing, Manager. But it still feel like something is missing from this song. I mean, the song itself. Is it the rhythm or is it the melody? There's something off with both, but I can quite put my finger on it. Give me a moment, Suna. Let me sorting. Oh, I need to think about this too. Okay then, if you have any idea, make sure you tell me. The Triangle of Delusion Shatter, each mulling over the melody. The little angel and horde together look like they each have their own idea and don't want to disturb each other flow. Yeah. At a time like this, my interference isn't quite appropriate. I wouldn't want them mistaking my suggestion for instruction. But manager, if you're not too busy, would you stay for a bit longer and help to be their sounding board? Your input would really help them sort through their thought and idea. Sure. Let's go from the right one. Hey, voice. Don't you dare. Anyway. Manager, you heard it too, right? Suna new song for Gilded Karate is so good. It is good. So yeah, I think they are the one who gonna perform in Volume High. And not Chelsea. Technically, Arya and Cecilia Chelsea before? I don't know. We are gonna learn about that soon. But as the finisher for our debut show, it definitely needs some polish. I don't have any solid idea yet, but so could you help me brainstorm? So where should we start? Oh, and manager, when you heard the name Angel of Delusion, there's a loud bike outside. What kind of performance would you have expected? Eccentric, lively, and imaginative. Oh, I love the way you put it. You're right. We are angel of delusion, and the world we saw, our audience. Oh, that's weird. Should totally have that. Okay, that's a close sentence. Should totally have that dreamy vibe to it. Don't get me wrong. I love the vibe with the Suna composition, strumming her guitar, and just letting the story flow. But our finale can be complete without that taste of a dreamy delusion. But besides, maybe you have. Can you change your name? Angel of Vision, Angel of Delusion. Anyway, but besides expressing our goal, Angel of Delusion style through this song, we also gotta consider a Gilded Karate. What kind of topic would go well with the crowd that show up at Yomaruyon? Okay, so they're gonna perform in Yomaruyon. Never mind. On Gilded Karate night. Heart racing, hope, and aspiration for the New Year's. You notice it too, manager. A lot of our Lelulu are very unique, and what they are hoping for from Gilded Karate isn't exactly typical either. Actually, it's like a mutual understanding, you know. As our dear composure and the soul of the heart of Illusion is pretty unique too. Sure, she usually seemed all sweet and gentle, always getting shy, but I also heard her say, when I got there first, I just wanna find a crack in the ground and shove the entire audience in there. That totally freaked me out back then. I mean, it's a saying, it's a metaphor, I think, hopefully. Not sure if it's cause her nervous or for our debut, but from what I can tell, Suna hasn't let her usual star shine through in this show. It's your debut. You guys should show the world your unique style. That's exactly what I was thinking. But honestly, with you backing me up, I wouldn't have got to tell Suna. Anyway, thanks for the walk. Thanks for the talk, manager. As Agile Delusion, we don't want to clip our own wing, but if we are playing is, but even if our playing is a discordant note, okay. Okay then, maybe that's a little too dramatic. A little too dramatic. Suna Song probably won't be that out there. As long as something you vibe with. Hopefully I didn't. Is there even a multiple answer? I don't know. I don't think we'll lead to the same conclusion. I think if we lead to the same conclusion anyway. What a headache. Manager, since you're here too, how about you help us brainstorm some idea for Shuna? True is, when it comes to arranging music, I know nothing. But if you're talking about this overall vibe, maybe I can help with that. Alright, let's think what about the kind of performance you want to present. Actually, while Suna was performing, I was already thinking about the choreography for this song. Positioning, holding hand, flowing wave-like movement. I want to express the emotion feel from Suna's composition through a dance, but it still feels like something is missing. How about you tell me what you heard in that piece just now? I don't even heard the thing during the mini game. I'm focusing on clicking the thing. Maybe it's the tragic part, I don't know. Yes, I am. I'm messing with you because I don't remember. Sure, this part doesn't have any soaring melody or particularly intense rhythm, but there's no way it's elicit those idea of the tragedy or suffering, right? I'm messing with you. Relax. Yeah, same. I mean, I think I should answer the bottom one. I mean, I think it leads to the same conclusion anyway. If we're wrong, we're gonna correct it. It's like a brook. A brook? Yo-ho-ho-ho. Anyway, it's like a brook shimmering under the moonlight. Not a bad melody at all, but after listening to it, it feels like it's still missing something. So how do we keep this vibe going while making sure we can keep hold of the audience attention? Won't you skip? I don't think high note. It will be weird. Skipping, huh? I get what you're trying to say, manager. You mean at certain keen spot, leveler mob would suit us better than the usual style, right? So then it comes to arranging the melody. I guess it's similar, but I got it. Thanks, manager. And after that discussing just now, count me as a hardcore supporter of your taste in music from today on. What even my taste in music? I mean, Bele taste in music. Should I say thanks? Okay. Now this is the main thing. So the composer herself. Manager, good thing you here. I want to ask, what do you think? Anything in that song just now we could tweak or polish? But I mainly handle the composition, so if you got feedback on other stuff, manager, it might be a bit hard for me to wrap my head around. Well, could you tell me your inspiration for the composition? Of course. My original idea was to write the slice of life kind of song, one that captured those ordinary yet bright moments we Angel of Delusion go through. But this rhythm right now feel a bit too plain. It's like doesn't grab the audition attention at all. Then how about we highlight the bright moment of everyday life? Bright moment of everyday life? Question mark. True. All kind of emotion ripple through even our ordinary everyday life. But like dipping our hand in a stream and feeling the occasional nimble of a curious little fish. But how do I get the audience to resonate with that? The rhythm. I can add some little adjustment to the original rhythm, making it more lively and let the audience feel the pulse beneath the calm. Thanks for the tip, manager. Inspiration has struck. I think you have a plan now. Don't go, Arya. Thanks to the manager help, I got idea for revision. No big change, mostly just tweaking the rhythm and flow. But what about you too? If you got idea, come on, spill it right now, all of it. From my perspective, the melody before was nice and all, but it felt like it was missing some bounce, bounce, you know. Considering we got choreography and rehearsal to walk through, things might feel a bit flat overall. Oh, I get what you mean. What about you, Arya? I think you must tone down your own style in the song to performance would be your own style in the song so that performance would go smoothly and the song would click with more people. But as the angel of delusion, it'll be a waste if we don't have any delusion, dreamy vibe in the song so pivotal to us. Really? But, huh? Nangong, you look at me like I'm some scary cat again, aren't you? But I'm not breaking down. Why not breaking down? I heard you and Arya loud and clear. Once you arrange it, the cheering gonna get way more complicated. Manager, wanna try it with the biggest fan and me? Alright, I give a shot. Minigame again? During the level one, when it larger. Oh, both side.
妄想世界に
I wonder what I gonna use if I mean, I guess even if I use touch, they will have left and right thing on screen, so it's the same, I guess, the control left and right and both depend. Oh, I hear the voice. It looks like a sad song. What part of this slice of life I want? Okay, okay. Is this how we unlock the event? The Radio Chronicle? Oh, I miss. I mean, I still S, but it's not perfect. Can we edit any? Is there any achievement if I did correctly?
店長さんたちはライブの作法を心得てるのね。
Well, I have failed
千
once.
夏のよかったら私のボイストレーニングに千夏と参加してみない？
Your voice, huh? Okay, so you actually a singer. So who is Cersei? I'm good.
セシリアさんって妄想エンジェルのボイトレ講師だったんだ。けど私にはちょっとそういうの向いてないかな。あらあら、店長さんたら私の指導を甘く見てるみたいね。
Haha, the other manager.
もう一人の店長さん、千夏の曲はどうだったかしら。
僕は音楽に明るいわけではないけれど、とてもいい曲だったと思うよ。
Is it
希望に
really
溢れた気が
Hope?
するというか、
I feel like it's a sad song. I don't know. This is the only part that I heard.
おおきにそんな謙遜戦でもええと思うで。うちが書きたい曲ってまさに希望がテーマみたいなとこあるし。
本当かい？それなら少しは自信を持っても良さそうだな。
Okay, wise.
いいよ、ちなっちゃん。チケットを売り込む時もそのくらい言ってくれたら完売間違いなしだから。ちゃかさんといてやゆう。うちは本気で言ってんねんから。
Uchiwa. Who say Uchiwa?
そうだよ、ゆうちゃん。ちなつちゃん、希望がテーマだって私にも教えてくれたもん。店長さんはちなつちゃんの良き理解者だね。
はいはい、みんな千夏の曲が大好きってことは分かったから、この曲をもっとたくさんの人に届けるために黄金の日のライブに目を向けましょう。
ちなっちゃん、ライブの準備に必要なのって50万ディニーだっけ？実はさ、僕が個人的に買った宝くじがもうすぐ発
I don't
表
think.
なんだけど、賞金の最高額も50万ディニーだった。
Unless using Aria supercomputer power to hack anyway, what I'm saying.
なんや、つまり運よく当たったら、そう当たったらユウの口座に50万が増えるだけやん。妄想エンジェルのライブ予算は1ディニーだって潤わへんねんで。
If I remember correctly, Nangong is kind of rich. So
ラッキー自慢ならよそでやってやゆう。うちらは今エンジェル存亡のつわぎ輪なんやから。
is he lucky or rich?
そうだよ、そのお金はゆうちゃんのものだもん。
千夏ってば真面目なんだね。ユウはそのお金をライブ予算にしてほしいみたいだったけど。大丈夫大丈夫。チケットがちゃんと売れたらいいんだから。
Oh, it said that uchi which means watashi, right? It was used by some by western half of the region, so it's kind of like Kansai, but I feel like it's different from Kansai, though. Maybe more western than that, like Kyushu or something. Anyway, moving on.
問題は全部売れるまでにそれなりの時間がかかっちゃいそうなことかな。でも私ね、さっき
Hey, that's Fairy.
に聞いてみたら、フォローでおすすめの仕事を教えてくれたの。
Wishing Sprite. How did
50万ディニーだよ。
how did Wishing Sprite, which I assume Fairy, are you saying how they talk? I thought did Fairy and Arya interact online or something? Not actually went to the store. Anyway,
願いの妖精。アリアの話に。
yes, a fairy tale. Fairy.
いかにも女の子が好きそうなおとぎ
The only thing I can think about is Fairy. I mean, Wishing Sprite. That's Fairy. By definition. Not to mention, we know that Fairy know them. She even recommended us to visit them because she know that the delusion currently stuck, and so maybe manager could help for free.
フォローに入れなんて言ってくるようなら、おとぎ話として
And
相当
Fairy
な部類だ
tales.
けどね。
The
ちゃんと状況を
the
聞い
capital
た方が
Fairy,
いいかな。
capital F. I mean uppercase.
しおかて、それはアリアちゃんの個人的な依頼料。
Okay, so they already going to Hollow normal. I mean Arya at least.
こうしようよ。私が依頼に出かけてる間、私の担当になってた準備をゆうちゃんとちなつちゃんがやってくれるの。みんなで協力するんだから、当然収益はグループのものだよね。私だけ依頼が終わってから準備してたら足並みも揃わないし、チケットを売るときもみんなで一緒に行けるでしょ。ね、とっても合理的。確かに。アリアちゃん、たまたま50万ディニーぴったしの依頼が舞い込んできちゃったわけ？どのフォローかは依頼人から聞いてる？
Um,
ちょっと待って。
Lemian. Okay, so we're gonna go volume.
ラマニ
あ
アフォローだよ。
This is where Arya meet the other intelligent construct.
合流だって。ルートを調べとかなくちゃ。アリアちゃん、うちも行こうかななんて。
Haha. How are you guys enter Hollow? Are you agent? Certified agent? You look like a kid.
長期兵に行くんやろ。なんかそこヤムチャ船とかいう天津の絶品なお店があるって聞いて。
When last time
食べてみ
Suna
たいなって。
you went to the shop when you went to Helium High. I don't think I think you didn't buy anything to do the wishing thing. Wishing.
千夏ちゃんにしては珍しいね。でもこの前あんまり食べると顔が丸くなって
Okay.
写真写りがあって。アリアちゃんが丸顔は連れてってくれへんて。丸顔には好きなものを食べる権利もないんや。違うよ。千夏ちゃんが自分で。ああ、アリアちゃんに振られちゃった。かわいそうな丸顔じゃなかった。ちなっちゃん、ゆうちゃん、別に振ってなんてないもん。くしゅ。じゃあうち一緒に行っても元からダメなんて言ってないよ。今までだって 簡単な依頼
Oh,
は一緒に受
simple.
けてたもんね。誰かいてくれたらそれだけ心強いんだから。
But at least I think, I mean, Arya, since she intelligent construct, she should be capable to handle Hollow. I don't know about Suna. Nangong though. I don't know what she is yet. Is she an angel? An actual angel?
でも私たち二人が行っちゃったらチケット販売の準備はゆうちゃんに任せきりだよね。大丈夫かな。
Well, Wise will help you, and I will help Arya and Suna.
平気よ。
Oh,
そういう
I
ことな
forgot
ら
about you,
よ
Cecilia.
私が手伝うから。
ーし、それじゃあ決まり。ちなっちゃんとアリアちゃんは依頼、僕と先生はライブとチケットの準備。両方終わったら3人で街に繰り出そう。うん、チケットの一部は友達にあげる分だけど、残りは何とかしてみんなに買ってもらわなきゃ。時間はあんまりないね。
明日の予定も決まったし、今日はこのまま練習を続けましょうか。
Okay, so I mean, I am waiting for Jane technically. So they do what they do, and I do what I do. The angel have gone off to practice on their own. It looked like Cecilia has something to say.
店長さんたちにお願いがあるのだけれど、ちょっといいかしら。
Is it about Chelsea? Tuk, 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 tuk. So before we talk to Cecilia, I think this is it. Let's teleport. Am I able to teleport to the outside? Just in case. So I can. Okay, we can. So yeah. So as you can see, it's already more than an hour, which means it's up. So this is for the end of the video. We're gonna continue this in the next video. Yeah, they're gonna plan to the commission, and I don't think we're gonna involve with that unless Cecilia gonna ask us to help them. But then again, we still have commission from Jane, which probably has something to do with Cisia, which I don't know what the commission about. Maybe it's connected to Angel of Delusion. I don't think so. It's probably connected to yokai, the whole intelligent construct and intelligent entity thing, which I guess will connect it to Arya in a way. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Yeah. So yeah, until next time. Bye.